My name is Matin Shaikh. I manage the teacher engagement team. I'm a graduate with Six Sigma in IT at Professional. My job is to provide exceptional customer experience with expert advice on end-to-end resolution on teacher concerns. Receiving Hall of Fame award is a dream of any WhiteHat Jr employee. The entire credit goes to my passionate team who always believe in delivering excellent service with a 2x speed. I love the way the company regularly capture feedbacks, whether it's through a webinar or a town hall session or a workplace post. Now this directly correlates the value which the company has set with the employees. In this pandemic situation, where other companies were actually cutting down on resources, WhiteHat Jr was actually scaling up in hiring more people. Along with this, the company never hesitated in experimenting new things. This shows the kind of a passion and a go-getter attitude the company has. One of the mission for the next 3 years is to reach 1 out of 3 kids in a world. This itself is so exciting. The most lovable part of this organization is when you know that you're working with an individual who is so engaged and aligned with the company's goal. That is very exciting, and that's one of the reasons why I love working in WhiteHat.